Little Angel Reader. Little Angel Reader.
Funny tongue twisters. Improve your English pronunciation. The big black bug bit the big black bear, but the big black bear bit the big black bug back. The big black bug bit the big black bear, but the big black bear bit the big black bug back. Let's try to say it faster. The big black bug bit the big black bear, but the big black bear bit the big black bug back. Let's try again. The big black bug bit the big black bear, but the big black bear bit the big black bug back. Try to say today's tongue twister fast at least 3 times. How about 7 times? Can you do it? We challenge you. Are you ready to accept the challenge? I hope you had fun practicing your pronunciation with this funny tongue twister. If you know any other interesting tongue twisters, please share them with us in the comments. We would like to try them too. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. And if you would like to support our channel and family, please use this PayPal link, littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.